This is the Primrose floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, one of our most versatile designs. The Primrose is part of our Classic series with 3 to 6 bedrooms and almost 2,800 to over 4,400 square feet. The curb appeal is phenomenal. Multiple gables, different roof pitches, brick and stone combinations, cedar accents, just a few of the exterior features you typically won't see at this price point. And a 3-car garage is standard with the Primrose, with an option to configure the separate single bay as an extra ensuite bedroom, workshop, or gym. As you enter the home, you know you've arrived as you're greeted by this rotunda entry. Double doors open up to this study that can also be switched to an additional bedroom. Then off the garage, the mudroom as well as linen and coat closet offer maximum storage and functionality. From here, 2 more bedrooms with a shared bathroom. The Primrose gives you a dining room with soaring ceiling that's highlighted by this flowing staircase. And the open, airy feeling continues right into the kitchen and family room. This kitchen is one of Bloomfield Homes' most popular designs with a huge island, tons of storage that opens up to the family room with an abundance of natural light from all the windows and the optional fireplace. Gather for a meal in the breakfast nook or head out to the covered patio and backyard with an option for an extended patio. The primary suite is one of the largest and most luxurious rooms we offer, with walls of glass and window seat. And in the bathroom, we offer a split vanity with granite countertops, a glass enclosed shower with a built-in bench, and an option to expand. And then you can relax in the garden tub. Take a look at the spacious walk-in closet with extra room beneath the stairs. If you choose to add a second level, you have the ability to add up to 2 more bedrooms and bathrooms, along with a game room and optional media room. Bloomfield Homes is one of the largest and most trusted home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We include more standard features at the base price than any other builder. The Primrose is simply one of the most impressive homes you'll see on the market today. Come visit the Primrose in a Bloomfield community near you and discover the possibilities.